This assessment asks us to draw a structure from the given name. Spoiler alert, there's a mistake here. 8 years of working on the book and editing and whatever, and mistakes happen. I apologize for that. The mistake, let's draw the structure and then we'll figure out what the mistake is and show you what kind of the new answer is, but I apologize in advance for that. We're going to start working backwards. It's a nonene, so we can go ahead and draw our alkene at carbon 1, and we're going to make sure we have 9 more carbons. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Maybe you already know what mistake is coming. If we number these kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we now see that we should, at the 3 position, have an isopropyl group. So we can draw the isopropyl group there. At the 6 carbon, we should have an iodine. Now, we're just going to leave that as the answer to this question because of the mistake that was made. You'll notice that it says that this is R. Which one is R? Is it 3R or is it 6R? The reality is this should have had another, it should have been 3R 6S or 3S 6R. We should have given that. Since we messed that up, we'll fix that on reprinting. For now, let's just pretend that there's stereochemistry undefined, and this molecule is 6-iodo, 3-isopropyl, non-1-ene. At some point, we'll do a reprint and get that fixed, but for now, if you're using the book as it is now and watching this video, we'll just call that a correct answer and pretend that there was never any stereochemistry indicated. Once again, I apologize that the mistake slipped through. We'll get it fixed as soon as possible.